Welcome to PreMath. In this video lesson, we have got this exponential problem. 7 power a equal to 77. 77 power b equals to 343. And now we are going to find the value of a times b. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on this equation. 77 power b equals to 343. And here I have copied it down. 77 power b equals to 343. And now let's focus on this base 77. And from this very first equation, 7 power a equal to 77. So therefore I'm going to replace this 77 by 7 power a. So this whole thing on the left hand side could be written as 7 power a and then whole power b equals to 343. And now we can see that we have got these nested exponents. So we are going to use this power rule. So this could be written as on the left hand side 7 power a times b equal to 343. And now let's focus on this 343 on the right hand side. We can see that 343 could be written as a factor of 7 times 7 times 7, which is same as 7 power 3. So therefore I can write 7 power ab equal to 7 power 3. And now we can see that our bases are same. So we are going to use this fact. So this could be written as a times b equals to 3. So thus our a times b value turns out to be 3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.